Hi, and welcome back to the Uber Agent UXM Fundamentals course. Today, we'll talk about how to configure Uber Agent. The first option is the configuration file. It's created during installation and can be found in the installation directory. The second option is Group Policy. Group Policy is the standard to configure Windows clients and servers in the enterprise. The Uber Agent download package comes with templates for Group Policy, which you can import. It also contains Group Policy backups for the default and the data volume optimized settings for Uber Agent. There's no preferred option. You can use the config file or Group Policy. All settings are available in both. But it's important to choose one option and not mix them. The main reason for this is that Group Policy overrides the config file. Mixing the two options can lead to confusion if settings are made in the config file but not applied by the agent. Let's see both options in action. On an Uber Agent machine, verify that the configuration file is available in the installation directory. Open it in your favorite text editor and scroll down to the receiver section. During the installation, you entered the Splunk server as well as the port where Uber Agent should send data. This information was written into the config file during installation. Verify that the config file is used by Uber Agent by looking at the agent's log file. It's located in the system's temp folder, which is usually C Windows Temp. The log file is very comprehensive and thus not part of this fundamentals course. But as we're only interested in a few lines, it's okay if we take a quick look. Uber Agent dumps the configuration after service start and at the beginning of each new log file. Hence, right at the beginning of the file, you can spot the term read config. In the details, you can see that the agent has found a configuration file. In the next line, you also see the path to the file. A few lines below, you see that the agent has read the configured receiver correctly. There's something to consider when using the config file. The agent installer completely removes the installation directory, including any configuration files, during uninstalls and upgrades. To preserve configuration files across agent upgrades, place them in Program Data, Vast Limits, Uber Agent Configuration. Configuration files in Program Data take precedence over configuration files in the installation directory. Please note that you need to manually update configuration files in Program Data when rolling out new versions of the agent. That's it for the config file. Let's check out Group Policy. Browse to the downloaded Uber Agent sources and change to Group Policy and Administrative Template. Copy the ADMX file and the content of the EN folder to your central policy store. You could now proceed configuring Uber Agent via Group Policy, but you would have to start from scratch. To save you time, we deliver the Uber Agent default configuration as a Group Policy backup in the download package. Open the Group Policy Management Console. Create a new GPO and give it a name. Then right-click and select Import Settings. Click Next and Next again. Click Browse. In the dialog, go to the downloaded Uber Agent sources and select Group Policy, GPO Backup, Default. Click Next. When the scan has finished, click Next again. Click Finish. Click OK when the import is done. Link the GPO to the organizational unit containing the target machines. Right-click your new GPO and choose Edit. Go to Computer Configuration, Policies, Administrative Templates, and Uber Agent. If the setting configuration through Group Policy is enabled, the import was successful. To apply the new configuration, run GP update, and restart the Uber agent service. Verify the group policy is active by looking at the Uber agent log file.